Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating problem: how to get rid of flies. If you've ever had flies buzzing around your home, you know how annoying they can be. But don't worry, we're here to help you eliminate them once and for all. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fly-free home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Understand the enemy. Flies are more than just a nuisance, they can carry diseases. Understanding their behavior is the first step in controlling them. Flies are attracted to food, garbage, and anything decomposing. They thrive in warm, moist environments, so keeping your home clean and dry is crucial. Remove attractants. Start by removing anything that attracts flies. This means taking out the trash regularly, cleaning up spills immediately, and not leaving food out. Make sure to clean your kitchen thoroughly, including under appliances where crumbs and spills can accumulate. It's also essential to keep your garbage cans clean and covered. Set up traps. One of the most effective ways to catch flies is to use fly traps. You can buy these at any store or make your own. Here's how to make a simple vinegar trap. Take a small bowl or jar. Fill it with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap. The vinegar attracts the flies, and the dish soap breaks the surface tension so the flies can't escape. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and poke a few holes in it. The flies will enter through the holes and get trapped. Another option is to use sticky fly strips, which are highly effective in catching flies. Use natural repellents. Essential oils can act as natural fly repellents. Flies hate the smell of lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. Here's how to use them. Mix a few drops of essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture around windows, doors, and other entry points. You can also use this on countertops and tables, but be sure to do a patch test first to avoid staining. Chemical solutions. If you need a stronger solution, fly sprays and insecticides can be effective. Be sure to use these products according to the manufacturer's instructions and keep them out of reach of children and pets. Spray these around entry points and areas where flies are most active. Physical methods. Sometimes, the simplest methods are the best. A fly swatter can be a quick and effective way to kill flies on site. Just be careful not to damage any surfaces or objects while swatting. Maintain cleanliness. Finally, maintaining cleanliness is key to preventing flies. Regularly clean your home, especially areas where food is prepared and consumed. Make sure to keep your drains clean and free of food debris as well. I hope you found these tips on how to get rid of flies helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel for more practical home solutions. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips.